Hi my friends, how are you? Right now I'm presenting to you this project that was built a couple years ago by my friend Happy Jeski in Dominican Republic. As you can see, this is a Polaris 2003 MSX HO. We removed the engine and put a new one. The new engine was from a 1997 WRUNNER 1100cc engine. This engine, it hits the body very nice. Right now I'm redoing the project because I wanted to repaint the engine, as you can see the pictures, and install new outlet muffler. As you can see the two holes in the back of the jet ski body, but I couldn't finish because the hose was not the one that I was expected to have. I rebuilt the water box, relocate the outlet hose in order to attach the aluminum part. You can see it is a Y. It has a lot of waterproof LEDs all the way around the body. Primer kit. Replace the original cover seat with that one, 3 colors. It has 2 strobe lights in the front of the hood. It's a nice jet ski. I was helped by my friend Eugenio, which is the mechanic, and I give him a hand with this. I hope you enjoy the video. Pretty soon you will see the project finished in my way back to the Dominican Republic. So the one with the hat is me. So see you soon. Enjoy the video, and I hope you guys see this engine running pretty soon. Thank you very much, my friends. See you soon. Bye bye.